I want to know who motherfucking representing it here tonight. Hold on.
Hey, what's up, you guys? I'm back with another video. I got my hair braided, and let me tell you something. Isn't she late? I'm gonna just give you all 2 minutes to check out my hair. Just look at it. Isn't she late? Thank you. Well, let me let you know who did it. I'm gonna put her name in the description box. The Braid Bar, _Braid Bar on Instagram. Her name is Shadice. She did my hair, and this is so neat. I really love it. I got it done for Carnival, and it's already been a week, and my hair is still laid. No fags, no nothing. And usually, if that tuck game ain't on point, you will always have issues with your braids. But my braids, I have not fagged yet, and they still looking clean. So you have to check her out on Instagram, follow on Instagram, and contact her. Well, of course, she's located in the Bahamas, so I don't know how my international people are going to even get her to do your hair. But if you have something for her, you could probably fly out. You know what I'm saying? It's just that good. Anyway, yes, so let me give you some specs on my hair. I got it with the I got it done with the Expressions hair. I think she used about 3 to 4 packs of the Expressions hair. My hair is done in layers, and as you can see, it's 3 layers. It is very, honestly, I can understand why it takes so long and why it's costly. Me and her are really cool, and she's been doing me and my sister's hair for years and years and years. So trust and believe, I can vouch for her work. So if you want to get your hair done, you can go to her. These are feed-in layer braids. Let me correct myself, feed-in layer braids. So each braid is done with 6+ pieces. So it takes much longer than the regular row-in. It took from 7 to 12, which is not long at all, considering the amount of braids, considering the designs, which she crocheted the gold strings in. And honestly, she did a really great job. Now, other than that, let me tell you the process. So she started braiding my hair, and at the end of braiding my hair, she put the hot water on the ends of my hair, not reaching my actual hair where my hair stops to get any heat damage. So she dipped it in hot boiling water, scalding. She didn't dip it, she actually poured it. My head was hanging over the chair, so she poured the hot water all over it, and honestly, it helps the ends of your hair to really fall properly and to make it smooth. People always wonder why we dip it in hot water. It's to make the ends of the hair really smooth. I don't know if you can see the ends of the hair fall properly, as well as she shreds the hair beforehand. So that's a good prep way, I guess she does it. Anyway, I love my hair. I only wanted to show you guys how my hair looked and how beautiful it is. Like, all of my little designs are pretty, and honestly, she works with details. Honestly, it is very, let me show you how the color of the gold designs and stuff looks. So as you can see, she has the gold specks in it, along the gold roping, as well as in the middle, and everything is like geometry with it. It's not like she just chose to put the designs or the rope on it and just threw it there. She took her time, she put the rope on it, and when she tied it, she actually burned the end of the rope to prevent it from shredding. And honestly, I noticed that with a lot of people's hair, they don't do that. And honestly, I applaud her, because that is detail work to me, and I really appreciate it, and it's coin well spent. So don't forget to check out on Instagram at the Braid Bar. I'm gonna make sure, but I think it's the DA_Braid Bar on Instagram. She has all her contacts there and schedules and everything, what's available and whatnot. Well, is it tight? I would not say it's tight. I would say it's braid appropriate. I've been getting my hair braided a long time, and honestly, that's the reason why I had damaged edges. So this is the first time I got my hair braided in a year, because last year Carnival I got my hair braided, and since then my hair wasn't braided. So it's been a year, and I think it's good time for me to get, was a good time for me to get my hair braided. I'll insert a picture in the corner so that you can see the whole Carnival setup. However, I'm really in love with my hair, honestly. The fact that it goes back and it's just so laid. Oh my God, it's just so laid. Tell me this ain't laid. Tell me this ain't cute. Tell me this ain't fire. Tell me when you feeling yourself, baby. I'm feeling it. This is bomb. I really love it. Thanks, Shanice. That's not how it's supposed to work. It's supposed to be a gradient effect. It's supposed to look natural. And that's what I really, really love about her feed-in braids. And it's feeding all over. And it's full length. I think I already showed you guys, but it is really, 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 really long. It touches my hips. Pretty much that's it. Now, as for securing my hair at night, let me show you what I do. And this is nothing to hold my hair. I don't put any mousse, I don't put any gel over top on my strands to secure the strands, no. I simply just use the Main Choice Daily Restorative Spray. I use that, and then I top it off with some oil just to help with dry scalp, of course. And then I simply do my edges with whatever you want. I prefer to use gel because edge controls cake and freezing gels cake too. The first time I used the freezing gel was pretty until I started to use it every day, and then it started to cake up. Then I use my headband and I put that over there, and then a satin bonnet. And pretty much that's it. And then I tuck my hair with the band, put it in the bonnet, and go to bed. Very simple and easy. It doesn't take much work. Pretty much that is it. I love it. It is so cute. It is so cute. But don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Like this video, share this video. Don't forget to follow The Braid Bar on Instagram. Everything will be linked in the description box. Bye, guys. I just want to take a moment to thank The Braid Bar for her immaculate work, honestly. No one does it like you, baby. No one does it like you. No one knows how to mimic edges. No one knows how to make me feel comfortable with braids like you do. These braids are so gorgeous. These braids got me feeling myself. These braids have me on 100. These are so sexy. Look. You know how many DMs I got about my braids, girl? You don't know how much DMs I got about my braids. And yes, she's not yanking on the little bit of hair that I have in the front. No, she left those out to secure all the edges. Don't